issued a tornado warning for north central Dukes County in southeastern Massachusetts, southwestern Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 p.m.
You gotta be kidding me.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of Akrina, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gosnell around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dartmouth around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Bedford and Fairhaven around 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mattapoisett around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Falmouth and Marion around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Wareham around 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rochester around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sandwich and Bourne around 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay, this is kind of not good. And I just got the alarm on my phone here too. Hold on. Take shelter now in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor. You are indoors.
Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for north central Dukes County in southeastern Massachusetts, southwestern Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of Akrina, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gosnell around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dartmouth around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Bedford and Fairhaven around 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mattapoisett around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Falmouth and Marion around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Wareham around 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rochester around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sandwich and Bourne around 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
A tornado warning has apparently been issued, according to Rob, received at 11:22.
This is also on WBZ News Radio 1030.
Has issued a tornado warning for Plymouth, Mass. and Bristol, Massachusetts.
I'm going to switch it to WCVB, see what they have to say about it.
Beginning at 11:21 and ending at, for an hour, 12:21.
That bad, and then you get into some of that deep water, and by that point it's too late. We saw so much of that flooding down in New York earlier tonight, and I think we may be seeing more of that
You
tonight as well.
have got to be kidding me.
In that area that you're focused in on right now, can you remind
This is one of those kinds of storms that I'm typically worried about.
For people who are watching, who are up,
This sucks.
the things that they need to do right now in this moment in that area?
If you're in that area, you really need to take cover. You need to protect yourself. And the easiest way to protect yourself is to put yourself between as many layers of the outside as possible. That's why we say go down the basement. Tornado winds stir under.
Right now it's even on the Weather Channel. No joke.
In the northeast along I-95 tonight, it's got a warning on it. There's so much rain, record-setting rain in all these places. Flash flood warnings or flash flood emergencies.
Guys, I don't know how bad this is gonna be. If I do know, then I'll be sure to let you know as soon as possible. I'm kind of scared right now. I'm not kidding.
The biggest single daily rainfall total we've had in city history. There you see some.
I mean, this might be happening because of Hurricane Ida, which is being which is being downgraded to like a tropical storm or a tropical depression, but this just came out of nowhere. I mean, I understand we're going to be having like some flash flooding in our area because of the rain we might get from the remnants of like Ida, but this is just ridiculous. I don't know what else to say, so I'm just going to stop right here, and hopefully I might be able to check back in with you either a little later on tonight or maybe tomorrow morning if I'm lucky enough. So stay tuned if possible. Stay safe. Okay, so at this point in time, I think the tornado or tornadoes are finally dying down, and all of us here in Massachusetts, or at least some parts, can relax for right now. I mean, we still have some very heavy rainfall coming tomorrow morning and all throughout the night, and some flash flooding in between, but other than that, I think we should be fine. So just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, and for those of you who are also in Massachusetts, hope you're staying safe, especially during the current health crisis. So that's about it. So take care of yourselves, have a good day, and I'll see you all next time.